Hey everybody, this is my third video in which I'm going to talk about how to save your reports to PDF so that you can turn them in under assignments. So we're starting off here in Blackboard, and if you navigate to your QuickBooks assignments and click on the link here, you're going to see, starting with Chapter 2, moving forward, that when you go in here, you're going to notice that there are transmittals, or basically reports, transmittals, reports, same thing, that you're going to have to turn in PDF form. And I have directions in here that say, please attach the following reports in PDF for grading, and also to make sure to check the key first to make sure that your reports are correct. Don't waste time. If there are issues with your reports, my best advice is to go into the journal and then look at the accounts and amounts and the dates. Dates are the biggest mistake that students make. Anyways, though, talking about printing to PDF, for example, you can see for Chapter 2, for the computer file, I'm asking for the journal from January 1st through the 15th. I'm asking for the trial balance and the sales by item summaries. So let's take a look here at the trial balance. I do have my QuickBooks open here in the background. So here's computer. I'm going to go in and right now you can see that I'm already in the trial balance. So I went in here and I went under accountant and taxes, went into the trial balance. I bring up the report, okay? Now you can see that my dates here are not correct. So I would have to change those, and actually my numbers are not correct either. So that's a problem, but this is just an example. So you can see that my dates should be January 15th. Okay, so let's say that this report was correct, okay, and then what I want to do is print it to PDF so that you can turn it in. Now, first thing is make sure that your name is in the file, and again, to do that, you go to company information, make sure that your own name, company information, and make sure that your own name is in there. If your name's not in there, I can't give you credit. So let's go back to my trial balance here. Here it is, okay? So the question is, how do you print this to PDF to turn it in? You've got two options, okay? The very first option is to simply go up to File and then choose Save as PDF. Very simple. Notice that it's already in PDF form. You can choose to save this onto your flash drive or onto your desktop, wherever you're going to know that you saved it. And give these a really good name, because for every chapter in QuickBooks, I'm requiring items from both the computer and landscape files. Those are two separate files. So right now, let's say that this was Chapter 2, and then do computer, and then call it trial balance, TB, or you can abbreviate. As long as I can make out which report is which, I'm fine with that. But do yourself a favor and name these well, because when you go into Blackboard to turn these in, you're going to have to be able to easily find your files so that you can turn them in for grading, okay? So again, this is the first option. You just go up to File, Save as PDF, give it a name, and click Save, okay? This is not my preferred method. It works, but this is not my preferred method because, as you can see, nothing happened. I did save as PDF and that was it. To double check to make sure that's out there, if I go out here onto my desktop where I saved it and open it up, there it is, okay? The preferred method, which is option 2, is to go ahead and download PDF Creator. If you go to Course Documents, and then you go into QuickBooks Help, if you go down, right here is the link on how to use PDF Creator. Super easy to install. You basically click on the link here, follow the directions. When you go out here, you can click on this big green box right here. It's free, it's awesome. The great thing about downloading this is that you can save, it doesn't just have to be your QuickBooks report. You can save a web page, a Word document, a picture, anything you want into PDF. So it's really, really cool. So once you have that installed, like I said, the second alternative is instead of going to File, Save as PDF, option 1, use PDF Creator. It rocks. You just simply click on Print, and then you bring up your print menu. And then right here, you're going to see that I have, for example, here's my printer. I have some other stuff. Once you install the PDF Creator, it'll show up as basically a virtual printer. We're not printing on paper, okay? You don't need to print on paper and then scan it and all that. We're totally bypassing that and saving trees, which is a good thing. So you're just going to click on PDF Creator, click on Print. It's going to take a second. You just click Save. And then this is where you choose, okay, where do you want to save it? And what's the file type? Again, I'm going to just choose my desktop here. And again, let's call this Chapter 2, Computer Trial Balance 1 or something like that, okay? So I'm going to click on Save. And the reason why I like this second method, as you can see, your PDF pops up and you can actually see what it looks like. And again, compare that with the key to make sure that it's correct, okay? So again, this video was talking to you about how to install PDF Creator, how to get those reports to me, okay? And then the second part is, I'm just gonna close this here because we don't need this open. So once you have your items saved, so for example, in Blackboard, I'm gonna go back to my assignments here. And for example, for Chapter 2, you're gonna see for computer, I need 3 files. I need the journal, the trial balance, and the sales. Again, use the key so that your numbers match my check figures here. If they don't match, guess what? You got to go dig through the journal and see what you did wrong, or come on in and see me during my office hours and I can certainly help you, okay? So to turn these in, you basically go in here. You can see that I'm asking for 3 files, and then you're going to go to Browse, and then you're going to, for example, I saved mine on the desktop here. So I'm going to go down, and let's say here's 1. Click on Open. Go again, click on Open. Oops, let me find the right one here. Okay, click on Open. All right, now there should be 3 files obviously there, but you know, this just goes to show you how it works. Okay, so once you get down to the end, then you can simply go over, let me expand my screen a little bit here. You can then go in and do Submit. Okay, so any questions on that, please let me know. But the bottom line is, whoops, there's Submit, thank you. The bottom line is this, there's 2 options to do it. Follow the directions, follow my video, and that should be useful. So with that, that's it. Thank you.